In this video we'll take an honest look at Zoho Social, the social media management platform built for businesses that want to manage all their social channels in one place. From my experience, Zoho Social stands out for its clean interface, simple scheduling tools, and strong integration with other Zoho apps like CRM and campaigns. It's ideal for small to medium businesses that want to plan, publish, and track posts across platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. The analytics dashboard gives clear insights into engagement and follower growth, and the team collaboration feature makes it easy to manage content approvals. Pricing is also reasonable compared to competitors, making it attractive for startups or agencies on a budget. However, some limitations appear when managing multiple brands or advanced features like YouTube and TikTok integration, which require higher-tier plans. A few users have also noted slower customer support and limited customization in reporting. Overall, Zoho Social delivers solid value for teams seeking an affordable, reliable SMM solution, but power users may find it less flexible than tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. If you enjoy practical tech reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe for more honest insights every week.